What's going on, guys? I am unapologetic about how much I love my country, and today is the 4th of July, Independence Day. For those who don't know, Independence Day commemorates the ratification of the Declaration of Independence by the Second Continental Congress on July 4th, 1776, establishing the United States of America as its own country. Basically, we ignored the Brits' invite to party, and we ran a solo. And so far, we're doing okay. No, I love it. It's great. Alright, we have two major things we want to cover today, and that is the item shop and all sweat summer quests and rewards. Checking out the item shop today, you will see that the Stars and Stripes bundle is in the item shop. Now, if you've been to this channel before, you know my main skin is the Star Spangled Trooper with the Captain America shield on the back and a giant wiener. We've got the V-Trigger Vector and our overlay. I finally have the opportunity to get the full set. I'm so sure that these skins have always just ran solo for 1,600 V-Bucks. Nitro Jerry is not a part of the set, so you want to pay attention to that. Perfect. We have unlocked everything we could have wanted. Let's go ahead and walk through the pack. Right now we've got the Fireworks team leader up front. She is a spin-off style of the Cuddle team leader. Next up, my absolute favorite, the Star Spangled Trooper. Beautiful skin. Then we've got the Star Spangled Ranger. And by purchasing the pack, we got our Fireworks weapon wrap. Nitro Jerry was not a part of the bundle, but he is overall a great skin, and he even has an emote that is so specific to just him, where he throws a tantrum and pops his lid. His back bling is a rotating firework. You can get into the holiday spirit with a sparkler, the Boomer glider, and the Roman candle emote. Hi, my name is Philip Jonesy, and you're watching Disney Channel. You know what? We're gonna buy that one. Marvel is back in the item shop, and with it comes Captain America, along with the Captain America and the Bright Star bundle. This Captain America is Sam Wilson, otherwise known as the Falcon. I would love to see an Isaiah Bradley version. That dude is jacked. If you have not seen him, look him up. And of course, the Falcon has a variation of Captain America's shield. He also gets a Captain America shield Falcon combo for his glider. Bright Star, beautiful skin. Instead of the regular yellow, purple, and green colors that comes with Bright Bomber, we're given an American flag alternate version. Bright Star is based off a Marvel character, but in the style of a Fortnite character. It's a little confusing, but to me this feels like a Fortnite original, so I don't think too hard about it. Not much else has changed in the item shop. We do have the Dino Guard bundle with Bronto, the Pterodactyl glider, the Bite Mark pickaxe, Crystal, and the list continues. We've got Triceratops, Sora is in here, Rex is back, Dark Tricera, Dark Rex, the Dark Dino Bones, the Roar emote. This is great for any monster skin. The Bright Hunter outfit. The Bright Hunter outfit and Sora were part of OG Fortnite. The item shop includes Metal Mask Bundle, which offers the Spiked Mace pickaxes, the Zadie outfit, and Metal Mouth. What's great about these skins is they can change colors to blend into different environments. That wraps up our item shop for the 4th of July. Fortnite, can we get more country-themed cosmetics? And I don't just mean America, I mean, we love the Canada skin represented by Nick A30, so if we can continue to celebrate what makes our nation so unique and different, that would be great. Moving right along, we're jumping into All Sweat Summer Quest and Rewards. So, Summerfest is here, and we've got 3 rewards to earn. School's out, and All Sweat Summer is in. Right away, we can see there are 3 cosmetics that we can earn. We can get the Deck Ducky Back Bling, the Summer Sail Shark Glider, and the Water Levels Gun Wrap. All of this can be earned by finishing 20 challenges for All Sweat Summer. Right now, it looks like we only have a few quests to complete, but throughout the rest of summer, more quests will be dropping for our chance to earn these rewards. That wraps up everything new in Fortnite today. Again, happy Independence Day. One more time for the epic employees in the back, if we can get our hands on some nation-themed cosmetics, that would be absolutely solid. We all want to represent our home country, and yeah, I'd buy it. You'd probably buy it. That guy would buy it. See him over there. Thank you guys for swinging through. Have a great rest of the day. Happy 4th of July. God bless.